Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
ayan, naubos ko na. Gamit ko na pala yung G7X. So, ngayon, alis na tayo. Excited na siya makita ang daddy niya. Na-pick up ko na siya. Yung boys, sabi ko magpalit sila ng t-shirt. Now, they're gonna change their shirts.
Is that coming inside?
Yeah.
In our car?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
My bag.
Okay, here. I got potato sticks. Dito yung mga bata. And, nabanggit ko ba sa inyo na imimit na lang namin doon si Jang kasi nung tumawag siya sa akin, kaalis niya lang sa road. So, ngayon, doon na lang namin siya imimit sa accountant. Okay, let's go. Seatbelt?
Yep.
Good, okay.
Okay, my brother can have a drink on my way.
Dito na kami sa town. Pero si Jan wala pa siya dito sa ano.
I'm dead.
Yeah, later. And si Holly nakatulog. Anong oras na ba? 3:51. 3:51. Okay, tawagan ko muna si Johnny Boy. He's not answering. Hey, Han. We are here. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm just at, just come into the mount now, so I'm about 3 minutes away.
Ah, okay. Holly's asleep.
Oh, well, I'll wake her up.
Okay. See you in a bit, Han. Love you.
Alright, see you, bye, love you, bye.
Bye-bye.
Mom,
Hmm.
did you say we're going to sleep?
Dito na si Daddy. Sak, careful when you open the door. Hi, Han. There's si Holly, oh. Ito pa siya. Hi, Dad.
Going to the fresh still.
What?
Can I bring my water bottle? Can I bring my water bottle?
Mm-hmm.
Dad, can I bring my water bottle?
Okay.
Inside?
Upo na kami.
Dad. Dad. Dad.
Hmm.
Dad. Dad.
Nakausap niya pa si Kuya Holly.
Dad. Wait, what does
Oh, hey, babe, I'm always been Julie to my little deal.
How about me?
Yeah, well, you're in there.
Okay, let's go. Ito kami sa tax, guys. And, dinalang ko si Jan ng damit kasi hindi siya uwi ng bahay. Tapos, Baba at Kuya. Kuya. And dala ni Jan yung mga dumi niyang damit. So, yun ang dadalhin ko. Kasi magdadrive ulit siya pabalik sa Robe. And, what time is it now, Han? What time is it now?
Where'd you put that thing back through?
Yeah, I'll put it there. 4:31. So, what we're gonna do now?
Where are you gonna eat?
Look at Zachary, look at Zachary. I told him not to do
Zach,
that on the
Not
cement.
there.
Yeah. Not headstand, handstand ba? Yan yung ginagawa ni Zach, oh. Where are we going, Zach? Big W. Baba, there's no car seat there. No, not there.
In the bay.
In the bay, yeah, not in the mount. So, dito tayo sa marketplace kung nasan yung Big W at saka yung bagong Woolies. Dito kayo magdi-dinner kasi dapat sa pub, kaso yung pub 6 o'clock pa sila magbubukas. Isi dyan, babalik pa siya sa Rogue. 1.5 hours to 2 hours drive yun. So, sabi niya, dito na lang kayo mag-dinner. Si Jan nag-park doon, kayo nag-park dito malapit. Where's Daddy? Hintay lang namin si Jan. Doon kasi siya nag-park. Meron naman dito. Ayaw ni Jan dito sa mga malalapit. Gusto niya talaga doon siya mag-park. 5:30 sila magko-close. Ano pa lang naman? Wala pa ata. 5:05 na ba? 4:48. Dito yung masarap yung ano, yung loaded na chips. Dito ba? Dito. Dinala ko na kayo dito. Ilang beses na. Si Kuya nag-order siya dito sa Donut King na hotdog. Yes, baby. Ah, okay. And kami nag-order kami ng food doon sa 25 acres yung pangalan niya. Nakakuha sila ng points sa Daddy. Magda-drive sila. Magda-drive. Dito sila. So, dito kayo nag-order ng food. 25 acres. Happy, Sak? Holly? Happy? Dito na pala yung food. Ayan yung pizza. Hawaiian pizza. Yes, we did. And...
Mom, can you try that?
Ah, okay. Wow, hi! Ang funny niya. Gusto niya ma-include sa vlog. Wow, that is huge. Thank you. Yeah. Oh my God. The table is too small for our food. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So, kay Jan to, ito yung chicken parm. Wala silang beef. Tapos, ayan, cheesy garlic bread. Si Kuya nag-hotdog. Oh, thank you. Kuya mo, Kuya. Thank you.
Whoa, now we're big enough?
Yeah, thank you. Ito yung loaded fries. Ah, hindi. Ito pala yung ano, lamb. Lamb, yeah. You remember this? Lamb chips. And ito yung marinara spaghetti. Okay, let's eat. Kain. Sabi ni Jan, masarap yung parmy. And andun si Jan, nag-order siyang another pizza para dalhin niya sa Robe kay, ano ba, sa kaibigan niya. Ang sarap. Good, Baba? How's this, Sak?
I haven't tried that.
How, huh?
Let's try that.
Okay, yeah. Gusto ni try ni Kuya yung marinara. Sak, what are you? Use your fork, please. Yeah. I know, it's really hot. I know, it's marinara. Masarap to, marinara.
That was burning.
Well, you have to use your fork.
Yes.
Yummy.
Mom.
What?
Mom, can I have a serviette?
Yeah, yeah. Si Kuya, naubos niya na yung hotdog, oh. Pangalawa ni Sak. How's the pizza? How's the pasta, yeah?
Mom,
Good?
here's the pizza.
Good? Huh?
What's that?
Oh, that's mine. It's seafood. This
My
one.
family ate it.
Huh? Yeah, it's good. It's good.
What is it?
It's from the ocean.
But this one was out.
Nakain ni Kuya yung ano, tahong. Hindi niya gusto. Humingi siya ng ano, chicken parmy. Si Kuya, ang lakas niyang kumain. Nakadalawa ata siya or isang yung cheesy garlic na bread. And kumain din siya ng, ubos na ni Jan. Alright. Kumain din siya ng chicken parmy. Ito, akong kakain yan. Tapos na kaming kumain and may natira pang pasta, yung marinara pasta at saka pizza. Ito raw yung babaunin nila bukas. And si Jan, hinihintay niya lang yung pizza. Ah, ayan na. Then punta kami ng Woolies. So nilagay lang namin yung food sa car. Ngayon punta na tayo ng Woolies kasi si Jan kuha siya ng coffee at saka may bibilhin din ako dito na wala sa Coles. Come on, Baba. Sanitize, okay? Ooh, okay, come on. Hurry up. That's enough, Holly. wala yung coffee ni Jan dito sa Woolies. So, mauna na siya. Kasi, yun naman siya. May nakuha si Kuya yung favorite niya. Ay, naubos nila kahapon. Yung binili ko, naubos na nila. So, mauna na si Jan. Okay, see you, Han. Kasi magdadrive pa siya. Anong oras na? What time is it, Han? 20 to 6.
Yeah.
Wait, see you. See you, Daddy. When are you coming back, Han? Monday? Huh? Before, yeah. Daddy will be here on your birthday, Baba. You see, huh? Love you. Love you. Miss you. Love you too. Drive carefully. Oh, we're just gonna get something here. Yeah. See you, huh? Love you. Bye. See ya, Han.
Never cry.
Why?
Dad.
Wow.
Dad.
You miss Daddy? Aww. Na-miss yun na agad si Daddy. Don't worry. Tingnan niyo yung mata niya. Let me see your eyes. Ito naman, kanina pa siya umaamoy ng mga si Kuya, pinakuha ko lang siya ng yung may gulong na trolley. Kasi ang kinuha niya lang ay yun.
Instead of the seat, I'm sitting.
No. Why are you crying? Why? I thought you already left.
I did.
She said also that she's almost crying.
I'm only going up the road, Chips.
That's right. Don't cry, Kuya, pati ako parang iiyak na rin. It's alright.
I'm gonna be.
1 hour.
Pinakuha ko lang siya nito. Ngayon umiiyak na siya.
Girls, and I'll be home for
Yeah. Don't worry. Daddy's coming back Monday, Kuya.
No.
What?
I don't know what the weather's like, so.
So you're not sure. So maybe weekend.
But it's
Yeah.
gonna be not half nothing.
It's only another couple of days.
It's alright, yeah. Come on. You're a big boy now, Kuya.
Big man.
Come on. You're a big boy. Come on.
What you're in.
I just asked you to get the trolley. Now you're crying.
No, he wasn't crying on the way.
Oh, sorry.
Same, I was getting dull.
Oh, it's alright. Look at the little girl. Oh, don't cry. Sabi niya kanina, para rin daw siya naiiyak. It's alright. Pati ako parang naiiyak na din. Tingnan yung mata ko. Kasi,
Just ring your mobile phone.
that's right, FaceTime.
Any cry?
Yeah, FaceTime, yeah. Pati ako naiiyak ko ilagay. It's alright, yeah. Zach, can you get that one, please? Get that one. Look at Zach. Zach is not crying. You're tough.
No, he's alright. Alright.
Alright.
No? Huh?
It's alright.
Touch everything, Rex. What do you want to do, mate? Huh?
You cannot come, Kuya. You have school.
Just screw it on. Alright? Yeah, you gotta go to school.
Okay, see you, Daddy.
Right, get stuff so you
Okay,
can
come
go.
on. Come on, Kuya.
Get stuff and then you go, babe.
Hindi pa rin nakakaalis si Jan kasi si Kuya. Iyak nang iyak. Si Kuya. Andun si Kuya. So, tapusin ko lang to yung kukunin ko dito. Then, imimit namin si Kuya doon sa car. Are you all going? Di ba? Iniwan na nila ako. Okay. Thank you.
Mom, I'm opening this and stop. Not yet.
So there. Then we go down through Chantanal and we stop and we go right and left, all out the back of Millicent. And then up here's... Oh, exactly.
Give me chewy, Daddy. Give me chewy.
Oh, sorry, I love you.
Drive carefully.
Yeah.
Okay. Put the heater. Okay. Guys, bahay na kami. Ano na?
Ice cream.
7:25. Bukas ko na lang i-haul yung mga pinamili namin sa Woolies. 2 Woolies yung pinuntahan ko. Come on. Maliligo na sila. And bumili ako ng flowers para mapalitan ko na to. Oh. Sabi ni Jam, bili ka na lang ng flowers para tutong ha? Para matanggal ko na raw yan, oh.
Mom, are you gonna put it in there? Or in there?
No. So, let's close the vlog. Come on. Grabing iyakan kanina.
Okay, sit down.
Okay, say, see ya guys. Thank you. You're gonna have a
Shower.
shower. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank
You
you.
always say thank you.
Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog.
Bye.
Bye.
And say good night.
And Mom,
Put the heater
where's
on.
the TV controller?
I-hold ko lang yung ice cream
Bye-bye,
kasi
guys.
ilalagay ko na to dito sa freezer. Eto, bumili ako ng splits. 2 nito, yung isa spider.
Wait, is there papers inside?
Yeah, okay. Okay guys, see ya.
My favorite, Mom.
See ya, yeah. Si Kuya maliligo na. Go have a shower now. Let's go. Paliguan ko muna to. Here. Dito pala yung remote ng heater. Okay, good night guys. Bye. Nakaligo na sila guys. Tingnan niyo yung dalawa. Si Kuya TJ tsaka si Holly umiiyak. Kasi na-miss na nila si Daddy. Pero etong isa. Do you miss Daddy?
Yeah. What?
Because look at them. Sobrang miss na nila si Daddy. It's alright. Let's go to bed. Kinuha ni Sak ng tissue.
Mom, where's Dad?
No, Daddy's still driving.
He's asleep, I think.
No.
He said when he goes there.
Yeah, so Daddy is still driving. It's alright, Kuya. You're big boy now. Stop crying because Holly is crying too. Yeah, we will see Dad soon, okay? It's alright. Come on. Let's go to bed. Come on. Pati tuloy ako parang naiiyak na rin. Come on. Holly, come on. That's enough. It's alright, Baba. We will see Daddy soon, okay? It's alright. Let's go to bed. It's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay? It's alright.